There has never been a more important time in history to tell the classic tale we call 1918. In 2008, the world economy collapsed. Unemployment became rampant, and the system as we know it stood on the precipice of total destruction. Despair reached an all-time high if you don't count the Dark Ages, World War II, the Spanish Inquisition, the year 23 BC, the Black Plague, or the Great Depression. And who does, really? We're going to be frank. I like Frank. He's a good man who'd give you the shirt off his back and not try to defile your sister. We need your help to continue to tell the story of 1918. The world is a dark, lonely, unfathomable place, and you, yes, you, deserve something that makes you laugh, something that provides comfort and meaning in these senseless and trying times. 1918 is the only thing that stands between us and the death of the soul of humanity. Without 1918, there is only a thick, soupy silence, occasionally breached by the hapless mewling of a kitten caught in a tree so tall that rescue is not only difficult, but impractical. Do we want people in the future to look back and say, those times were rough? Do we want them to look back and say that times were desperate? Do we want our 4 estranged children to say, if only they had given a small amount of money, $5, $10, $1 million, $14.99, no, anything really, to Oral Stage Studios, so more seasons of 1918 were produced and released upon the world, then maybe, just maybe, things would have turned out different. Maybe that kitten wouldn't have died so horribly and alone. That is what is at stake. The future of humanity, and apparently an adorable kitten. Help the future by helping us help you reimagine a past where aliens got intertwined in World War I, where the fate of countries caught in a drastic struggle rests on the clever use of alien technology, and where a vaudeville starlet and a lovesick scientist are the only hope for a world ravaged by war. Otherwise, life as we know it will have no meaning at all, and lonely kittens will die a lot.